Hey YouTube, what's going on? It's your girl Shaleen the Queen, coming back to you with another video about the day in the life of an Amazon driver. Now today it's gonna be a little quick day. Amazon only gave me 5 stops. They decided to be a little nice today because last night it snowed. As you guys may know, I don't know when this video is getting posted, but don't forget, if you are new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you turn your post notifications on. Oh, I broke a nail already. That's tragic. But yeah, make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button if you are new to the channel. Make sure you turn your post notifications on so when I upload, you will be the first to know. This week we had not a big snowstorm, but it snowed pretty good over the night. And I thought I was gonna wake up to come back to, I have to deliver like 150 stops, maybe 120 stops, like I've been doing, maybe 90 stops. But Amazon decided to be a little nice, and they shortened our routes, partly because some of the semis didn't make it in time, but also because the roads are not too good. The plow trucks did get out, salt trucks did get out, but they didn't do enough for these vans. So here's a little bit of my route, and you see my first stop is going to be here at stop 2, but I've been told to pretty much just skip all of these stops because those are country, and I'm going to start here, kind of in like not the city, but kind of close. Subdivisions and everything is over there. So I have 50 stops, I have 54 packages. That's it. Also with this Flex app, just a little kind of brief run through of what we do. So like current stops is there. We'll go to hit that for our current stop that we need to go to next. Today's itinerary, that's where we see all the addresses and everything. If I hit the first one, I've parked, hit scan. This is how I know where to pick up my packages when I go into the warehouse. So that means, A19, that means I'm gonna be in the front. And so that's why, if you can see now, I'm the second one in line. So back to this. So like I'm in stage A19. So that means, the first couple is bags that I have. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 bags with, and now all of these that don't say container ID, it says barcode, those are my oversized packages. So oversized, they're not in the bags. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With that being said, like I said, it should be an easy day today. I'm gonna try not to get stuck. We're told not to go on people's driveways because I've been stuck before. Everybody's been stuck. Just about in my company, everybody's been stuck. And these vans are not the greatest in the snow. Other than that, I don't know how much footage I'm going to be able to get with 50 stops, but I will try. Creek today.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Like right downtown, probably the best possible route for today.
Yeah, I have 50 stops.
Oh, really? I got 8.
Yeah, like half of my route, I'm literally not even about to do. I honestly forgot to do an outro video while I was still in the van. So that's why I'm sitting in my car right now. So today, just a recap of today. So it was a lot of driveways that had, I mean, you guys saw, they had, it was a lot of snow. Some people had theirs, some people plowed, some people didn't. I was pretty much, in some driveways, I was almost knee deep in snow. I really don't like that, but I mean, it is what it is. I found, wink wink, I found $5. We can't accept tips, so you know, I found it at a customer's house. She didn't plow, so you know, I picked up $5. That's what she gets for not plowing. So, but other than that, you know, I had a pretty good day today. 50 stops. I finished, it's 4 o'clock now, but I finished at about 2:50, 2:45, somewhere around there. So not too bad of a day. So other than that, if you like the video, make sure you hit the like button. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We're almost to 300 subscribers. Our next goal, well, 300, then 500, then 1,000. That's our goals. We got the AirPod Pros giveaway at 1,000 subscribers. So make sure the post notifications are on as well, so you can get updated when I drop new content. If there's anything that you guys would like to know, feel free to drop it in the comment section below, and I will make sure to do a question and answer video, or I might address it in my next video. I do have another video coming up for you guys though, so make sure you stay tuned so you can see that when it drops. Hopefully it drops on Friday. And yeah, thanks for watching this video. If you like it, make sure to leave a comment, hit the like button, share to your pages. Let's run it up.